Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and after making a high of 114, after showing crazy volatility just after the market opening, we could see, as we were hoping that market would go for some correction, and as per our expectation, DXY is right now taking rest. We can see some consolidation. 114.50 at the top is standing as the previous high, and then we saw market bouncing from 113 level. Okay, so these two are the important levels for DXY, but DXY is in uptrend. DXY is extremely bullish right now. This is just the consolidation. So by today, tomorrow, if DXY breaks also 114.50, do not be surprised, because we do not have any resistance on the chart, and right now we do not have any fundamental factors also that will change the direction of the market. So please plan your trades accordingly. Okay, so this is the range for DX, 114.50 at the top and 113.00 at the bottom. This DXY is just now under a range, trading in a range here. Now let's have a look at a chart of euro dollar. And euro dollar, yes, just the opposite, in a pure downtrend, clean downtrend market struggling very badly under the dominance of sellers. And we can see that just like DXY, euro USD is also trading in a range. What is the range here? 0.9700 at the top is standing as the previous high. Okay, as we were hoping that the Fibonacci 23.6% will work, and it worked also. So this is the previous high of the market, and then we have 0.9550. This is the previous low of the market. So this is the range of euro USD, and that was the range of DXY. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the DXY is also going down under for some correction. So when DXY will be at 113 or around 113, okay, and probably and hopefully euro USD will be standing at 0.9700 or around 0.9700. So if DXY bounces from the resistance, sorry, bounces from the support, I think that at the same time euro USD will be reversing from the resistance. If that happens, when DXY is bouncing from support and euro USD reversing from resistance, if that happens, then yes, we can go for a sell position. But in case market does not react according to our expectation, okay, if market does not react according to our expectation, and if you see market breaking 0.9700 level, okay, don't be surprised, because this is market, nobody is 100% accurate. So in that case, your next important level will be 0.9800, as I have already discussed yesterday, because of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement as well as previous low here. So if you combine both the factors here, then there is a high chance that 0.9800, 0.9810 will act as a very strong resistance for the market, because we can also see the blue line, the 50 moving average, also coming down to act as dynamic resistance. 0.9800, 0.9810 will be a very strong resistance zone. But right now, let's keep our eyes on 0.9700. And on the other hand, if market fails to go up, and if we see a big red candle here, you can obviously go for a sell position below 0.9550. Okay, but keep in mind, as I have been saying for the last couple of days, that this market is under the dominance of sellers, and the sell on rise is the best form of trading strategy here. So because whenever market is going down, we can see market going up, unable to cross the previous high. So as a result, taking a sell position at the tops is the best trading strategy. Okay, because your risk to reward ratio is also superb. But if you take a sell position here, then there is a slightly high risk, and the risk to reward ratio can also be tricky. The risk to reward ratio may not be in your favor. So in that case, okay, in that case you can just wait. Okay, but otherwise, if you do not get the opportunity, if you see a sudden sale in the market, then obviously you cannot hope for the market to go up and reverse. In that case, you can take a sell position too, but keep in mind that you must be careful and please follow proper risk management. And if possible, if there's a breakdown, do not go for a big lot size. If you usually go for let's say you usually go for one standard lot, then try to go for 0.5. Because to be honest, you can go for a normal lot size around these levels, okay, not in this level, because your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor. Okay, the sweet spot, okay, every chart has a sweet spot. Yeah. And in this type of market, whenever the market is in downtrend, the sweet spot to take a sell position is always at the top. Anyways, hopefully got the idea. Bye bye. Take care. See ya.